Musamseleku, when it comes to Mangwabe and Mayeni, when they had a problem, he can try by his own means to be available. When it comes to Makumalo, he can say Makumalo can do by herself. Last time Mangwabe and Mayeni, their daughters, they had an operation. Musamseleku was available until the end of the operation, but Makumalo was trying to change Mpilo's surname, going upside and down. Musamseleku, what he did was calling Makumalo not available, or he was busy, or what. But when it comes to other wives or the mother of his kids, we can't be shocked to saw Musamseleku. He can't do anything for Mpilo. He says, I can't have a ceremony for Mpilo. He want to give some of the reasons. Musamseleku was not available all the time. Makumalo was doing things for Mpilo to change his name. If Makumalo want to open her mouth about Musamseleku, we watch it on season 1. Makumalo doesn't want to show people how she feels about Musamseleku, the way he treat her, the way he treat other wives. Because Musamseleku, when it comes to Mayeni's kids and Mangwabe's kids, Musamseleku was always available. But to Makumalo, because it's Mpilo, Musamseleku never loved Mpilo. Maybe Makumalo was the one who forced Musamseleku to take Mpilo to her mother, because we didn't see even Musamseleku to had a conversation with Mpilo's mom about changing the surname. Makumalo was the one. Okay, Makumalo was supposed to talk to Mpilo's mother, but we didn't see Musamseleku to go to Home Affairs with Mpilo to change the surname. Mpilo had a process alone without Musamseleku. Like maybe Mpilo was too desperate to be Musamseleku's daughter. I don't understand. But when it comes to Mayeni's kids and Mangwabe's kids, he can try by his own means. All the time Makumalo was watching it. It's not about Makumalo doesn't watch it, especially was playing on television. Musamseleku and Mangwabe, they were staying at hospital the whole day. Musamseleku available for Mangwabe, Musamseleku being available for Mayeni. But when it comes to Makumalo, they had an issue with Makumalo about the child. Makumalo was going on doctors, because at that time Musamseleku was not available. I didn't say Musamseleku being in doctors, because I watch Makumalo alone. You've got a consultation with a doctor about not having kids. The doctor was checking Makumalo. Musamseleku never available on hospital to check the doctors what's going on with Makumalo, because Makumalo had a serious problem of not having kids. But Musamseleku didn't bother himself. Even Makumalo want to have IVF, Musamseleku didn't take it serious. He says yes, we can have IVF, but not to have action to go to the hospital. He didn't do the same thing he was doing to his wife's Mangwabe and Mayeni. To Mangwabe and Mayeni, he drive them by himself to go to the hospital with them. Last time Makumalo had a breakdown with a car. Musamseleku got angry, start insulting Makumalo. Why you have got a breakdown? It's a petrol what. Makumalo decided to call one of the white men to come and fix that car, to check what's going on. Musamseleku didn't bother himself. What he did is to call Makumalo only. He was staying, and that distance was not far. Like Musamseleku can't come with a car or without a car to check Makumalo. He didn't bother himself. Makumalo was the one who called that man and checked that car. Imagine, guys, you say it's your husband, but when it comes to Macele, Mayeni, and Mangwabe, he can come and do something. You know that Makumalo all the time was recording it, because even I was watching Utando Nestembo season, all those seasons, season 1 and season 2. I see Makumalo, she was in pain inside, but Makumalo didn't want to show people, to say something about how Musamseleku was treating her. You understand? Because I saw Makumalo's face at that time. She ended a call with Musamseleku, start calling that man to come and see something what's going on with her car. You have got your husband doesn't do anything. You can call someone who can fix your car, But when it comes to Mangwabe and Mayen, he can do actions